The informational universe. Before the beginning.
Before there were galaxies, before stars illuminated the darkness, before planets formed and life emerged, before space expanded and time began its endless march, what was there? For thousands of years, humanity has asked this question. Ancient civilizations imagined gods, cosmic oceans, and eternal realms beyond creation. Modern science has traced the history of the universe back nearly 14 billion years to the Big Bang. Yet one mystery remains. What lies beneath reality itself? Most of us assume the universe is made of matter and energy. We imagine particles, atoms, planets, and stars forming the foundation of existence. But what if they are not? What if something even more fundamental exists beneath everything we see? An extraordinary idea was proposed by physicist John Archibald Wheeler. He suggested that reality may arise from information. He called this idea it from bit. Every it in the universe, every particle, atom, star, and living being may ultimately originate from information. At first, this seems strange. Information appears to depend on physical things. Books contain information. Computers store information. Brains process information. Surely matter comes first. But Wheeler asked us to consider the opposite possibility. Perhaps information is not merely describing reality. Perhaps information creates reality. To understand this, we must redefine what information means. Information is not knowledge. It is not language. At its deepest level, information is distinction. The difference between one state and another. The answer to a question. The outcome of a choice. Imagine a simple switch. On or off. 1 or 0. Yes or no. That distinction creates a bit of information. Now imagine countless distinctions occurring throughout the universe. Every interaction becomes an informational event. Every event becomes an answer. Every answer contributes to reality itself. As physicists explored the quantum world, this idea became increasingly intriguing. Quantum particles do not behave like tiny solid objects. Instead, they exist as possibilities. An electron may occupy multiple potential states. A photon may travel multiple possible paths. Only when a measurement occurs does one outcome emerge. Only then does possibility become reality. Wheeler believed this was significant. Perhaps reality is not fully defined until information is created. Perhaps the universe is built from questions and answers, possibilities and outcomes, bits and relationships. If this is true, our picture of reality changes dramatically. The universe is no longer a collection of objects, it becomes a process. A vast network of informational relationships unfolding across space and time. This idea may sound philosophical, but information appears throughout modern physics. Quantum computing treats information as a physical resource. Black hole research suggests information can never truly be destroyed. Some theories even propose that space itself emerges from informational connections. Again and again, information appears near the foundations of reality. Imagine a digital photograph. You see mountains, rivers, and clouds. Yet beneath the image are millions of pixels. And beneath those pixels are streams of binary information, zeros and ones. The image emerges from information. Perhaps the universe works in a similar way. Galaxies become the image, Stars become the pixels. Information becomes the code beneath it all. If Wheeler's vision is correct, then the history of the cosmos is the story of information becoming increasingly organized. From the first distinction, to the first particles, to the first stars, to life, to consciousness, and ultimately to us. Everything connected through information, everything emerging from information, everything participating in what we might call an informational universe. But information alone is not enough. Information provides possibilities. Something else provides order. The universe follows rules. Gravity shapes galaxies. Atoms obey precise laws. Light travels at a constant speed. Where do these rules come from? How does information become structure? How does possibility become reality? In our next episode, we explore the hidden architecture of existence itself, the laws that transform information into order, the cosmic